guys, it's my birthday. We're gonna just do a vlog edition of a day in the life of a YouTuber, of me. So that car that just drove off, they just bought my LSS wheels. They've been sold. So I sold those. He was very nice. I believe his name was Greg. And Greg, you're awesome. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoy those. Enjoy that on your graphite Lotus ELISE. And I hope you supercharge your Lotus ELISE soon here. Very nice guy. In my back of the car, I actually have my stock touring wheels for my MR-2 Spyder, and we're gonna go slab some new tires on them. I've been doing a lot of burnouts in the MR-2, and I went all the way to the cord on those, and I'll show you guys. In addition to that, I sold my Lotus EVORA. I hate that car. I got a huge series I'm gonna tell you guys all about. I'm gonna probably make a 3 or 4 part video of my experience of Lotus ownership with that car. I think it'll be good content of my experience, you know, nothing else besides my experience. I think it'll be good. But let's go get some chores done. Enjoy the ride. We're not doing the white monster today, but I do got a pumpkin spice latte from my beautiful fiance over there. Cheers, cheers, fiance. All right, there's the last time you'll ever see that car. I hate that car. But what we're doing is we're actually dropping off the exhaust that came with it. The car's been sold, like I said. I think that car's poisonous. But let's drop this off at West State. Now that we dropped off that, look at these, man, I went right through these tires. The MR-2 is so fun. So we're gonna get some new tires. I'm gonna go shop. So I did run S drives on these before, 225s, 45, 17s on the rear, and then I think I did 195, 45, 16s on the front. And we'll go get some new tires right now, and we'll put those. I might actually put the Lotus, the wheels from the Lotus ELISE Turbo. I might put those on the MR-2 today. We'll see. But let's go look for shop for some new tires. I usually go to Discount Tires, so we'll head over in Bellevue to check out some Discount Tires. Let's go ahead and do that now. Again, I hate that car. I cannot wait to tell you guys a story about that. I hate that car. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. So since we're doing a vlog style, I'm just checking out, I'm gonna need a new car here soon. I don't know, I'm probably gonna end up getting a pickup truck. I'm in a pickup truck right now. What do you guys think of that, though? TRX. Ooh, 700 horsepower.
All the way from Portland.
From Portland. But we're at their BMW dealership. They always have nice cars here. Look at these 2 blue ones they have over here. I just made a quick pit stop. I mean, it's my birthday. I can check out this stuff, right? Right, Gabriella?
Oh, yeah.
What do you think of that? That's a Z4.
It's pretty.
Vlog style, so we're at discontinued tires, not discount tires. They don't have these anymore. So the Yokohamas that I have right here, these are really old. I don't know how old they're. 195, 45, 16 S drives. I drove on these for a very long time. I think this is my 2nd set or 3rd set, but you can see that they're dry wadded. They're very old. These are really old. I bet these are 6 or 7 years old. The rear ones I go through a lot more because I do a lot of burnouts, but here you guys can actually look and see the cord right there. So Discount Tire doesn't have anything, so we're not gonna put any tires on today. So let's go back, order some online. I think that's what I'll end up doing. Ordering them online and then putting new tires on these. Because I do want to continue to use these because currently I don't have tires. I'm now down only to two sets of 4x100s. So these are 4x100s, so I'm only down to 2. So let's go ahead and get in the car and then maybe head back over to the garage. It's a vlog style, so I'm just gonna take you guys along. So let's just keep on going. All right, there's George's place, is the darts. They have a GTR. I kind of want to buy a GTR next. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Mitch, you get a GTR, red one? I think I should. What do you think?
Not a fan.
You don't like GTRs?
No, they're good. They're Godzilla.
She's a hater.
Not a hater, it's just been burned recently.
On GTRs?
On cars, on your cars.
Yeah, my cars
I've
suck.
watched you burn.
Yeah, but I think GTRs are relatively reliable. Okay, back at the garage, MR-2's jacked up. It's all lifted. I love this car. I'm never getting rid of this car. The guy that I just sold my wheels to, I told him I had an MR-2. He was looking at buying one. I was like, buy the MR-2. He has the ELISE, but the MR-2, there's just nothing as affordable and cool and the best platform there is. Mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, manual, sub $10,000, and this car has like 270 horsepower on it. Absolutely amazing. plus they look cool, plus it's convertible, plus I have a hardtop. Get the MR-2. So what we're going to be doing though is the MR-2 is flying. I got my compressor, my air compressor out. We're going to go ahead and put the, so I don't have LSS wheels anymore. They're sold. The silver one's sold. You guys like those? I love the wheel. I just didn't like the chrome. The chrome's not me. I wish I did black. These are more aesthetic. They look expensive. These are not. They're not a superior wheel in my opinion. The other ones are superior. They're lighter weight, and then when they're split in the middle, they actually look better. They are superior, but these look cooler, and I don't need the LSS, and I didn't really want to pay to get them powder coated. But what we're going to do today is I'm going to pull off my wheels, the R888s, the Proxy R888s from the ELISE turbo. So I gotta jack that back up from the ELISE turbo that doesn't run, still doesn't run by the way. This car might be for sale too. I might be over LOTUS, the brand, might be for sale. And we're gonna put those on this and then go drive that around. I think that'll be cool. And that's what the main thing about this vlog video will be. But yeah, I'm having fun. So I think the next videos I will do is I will start sharing the stories of that EVORA. That's the last time I'll ever see that car, and you guys saw it. I hate that car. Literally, that was the worst car experience of my entire life. I've owned 30 plus cars. I might even own 40 cars. I'm actually lost count. 30 plus cars. That was the worst car and the worst car experience I've ever owned. And I bought a car and drove it home, and it blew up on the way home when I was like 18 years old. It was a Mitsubishi Eclipse GST. Drove it, and on the way home it blew up. And that was a better experience than this LOTUS EVORA. Like less heartache than the LOTUS EVORA. So that being said, I like to stay positive and keep it happy. But let's go ahead and lift up the LOTUS, and we'll go ahead and lift up the LOTUS and start pulling those wheels off and putting these ones on here. Let's start. Okay, so lifted up the ELISE. I use a microfiber. Swing by MITCHDORE.COMHOW as always. I use one of those. Lifted up the ELISE right in the middle. This car's so small and tiny. What do you guys think? This thing has sat in rain, by the way. There's rust on the calipers. Sad. But I put the this touring package on the LOTUS ELISE, the gloss black ones. So those are our LOTUS wheel. And then we are taking the Proxy 888s, Super Leggero. I think these are what these wheels are. I always forget what these are. And we pop them off. There's one, and we're gonna put this on the MR-2. Oh, this is gonna be the big wheel reveal. The new wheels for the MR-2. Toyo's 888s on here. That's actually what I just had. These have a little bit of dry rot right here, so I'll probably end up needing new tires again. And unfortunately, I couldn't get new tires for these. So since I couldn't get new tires from these, this car's not driving anywhere anyways. We're just gonna go ahead and put these ones on the MR-2 and drive it for a little while. When it gets rainy, which it rains over here in Seattle, this gets really dicey. Don't recommend this. Don't drive on these only unless you're gonna do like racetrack. Okay, so LOTUS touring wheels in gloss black are put on the car. What do you guys think? Way less aggressive in my opinion. 195 45 16s on these that are Yokohama S drives, gloss black. These are 225s, 45 17 S drives, Yokohamas. They look pretty good. I like it. I mean, it's starting to look like a stock ELISE. I never noticed actually how much I actually really dislike these wheels. They weren't for me. But going from those wheels to these wheels, I actually like these wheels even more now. So these are gonna look dope on this car. This is gonna look sick. So let's go ahead and throw these on. I'm excited. This MR-2 is gonna look insane. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ooh, that looks good. So, moment of truth, the front ones are pretty fat. I really hope that they don't rub. I might have to raise the front again, which I already raised, because those are really fat. They're gonna have poke. Now, if I didn't have that tire, if I didn't go with this size of tire, which I think it's a 205, right? It's a 205. It's a 205 50 15s. So if I went with like a 195 45, it might be too small. Maybe if I went like a 195 50 15, that might be better. But I think that pokes a little bit too much. Yeah. Let's just pray it doesn't bend on this. Let's just go ahead and lower it down. I'm gonna set you guys down and then do it myself. All right, so that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, kind of fun. So I ended up lowering the car, and it looks pretty good. It's all right. I wish the wheels were in gloss black. It does have the 888 proxies on here. So these are like straight up race car tires. The tires are too meaty. They have too much poke. They actually sit outside of the fender, so that doesn't look very good. And then now the MR-2 actually needs to be lowered a little bit if I were to run these. So what I'll do is I'll drive them for a little bit, end up pulling these 888s off. They're really old tires, so I'm not going to drive them very long. Pull out these 888s, look for maybe a Toyo, maybe a new Toyo, or maybe do a Yokohama. Look for that, and maybe do, instead of the 205s, do 195 45s. I think those look better. The rear looks pretty cool. I like that a lot. I think that looks pretty good. It's a pretty good setup actually for that. Now the MR-2, believe it or not, just needs a little bit lowered, and that was because I ran the 17 inches on there, and I did the 17 225 45 17s, and now these are 15 inches that are 225 45 16 inches. So you guys can see that there's that gap now. And so I could actually use the coilovers and lower the car a little bit if I wanted to. I think that'd look pretty good. But currently this is gonna be fun. These wheels are ultra light. They're way lighter than both the LSS wheels, and they're ultra light. They're way lighter than the sport, or just a normal touring wheel. So the car is gonna feel extremely light. I have no rubbing issues at all. So if you wanna run this, you can. Just look-wise, appeal-wise, aesthetic, it's not my favorite. But hey, new wheels, new setup. It's fun to change these around. The other guy that I sold the LSS wheels, it's nice meeting you today. Hope you enjoy those. Send me a picture of that cool car, of your ELISE. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITCHDORE.com, grab your merch on there, and I'll see you guys on the next video.